The Kosovo Specialist Chambers outreach team frequently meets with people all over Kosovo to provide information about the court, listen to people's concerns, and answer their questions. We want to share with you today some of the questions people have asked and our answers.
Why haven't the accused been released on bail?
Whether or not an accused can be released on bail depends on the particular circumstances of each case.
An accused can be held in detention if the judges determine that releasing the person would pose one or more of the following risks. 1. A risk of flight. 2. A risk that the accused will obstruct the progress of criminal proceedings, for example, by influencing or intimidating witnesses. 3. A risk that the accused will commit a crime.
Every 2 months, the judges dealing with the case have to assess whether any of these risks still exist and whether the continued detention of the accused is still necessary. The judges always provide detailed reasoning in their decisions, including on detention review. Their decisions are published on the website. The accused have the right to appeal these decisions.
Who is the Ombudsperson of the Specialist Chambers and what is their role?
The Ombudsperson acts independently to monitor, defend, and protect the fundamental rights and freedoms of persons interacting with the Kosovo Specialist Chambers or the Specialist Prosecutor's Office. The Specialist Chambers Ombudsperson is Judge Pietro Sberra of Italy.
His office receives complaints from persons interacting with the court or the prosecution, alleging human rights violations. It conducts inquiries into all admissible complaints. So far, the Ombudsperson has received over 20 complaints, but only a few of these were found admissible. The majority of inadmissible complaints were not accepted because the complaint was not related to the Specialist Chambers or Specialist Prosecutor's Office, but to some other institution.
The Ombudsperson publishes a report on every admissible complaint after conducting an inquiry. These reports can be read on the Specialist Chambers website, together with a summary of all the complaints dealt with by the Ombudsperson. Similar to other Ombudsperson institutions, the KSC Ombudsperson cannot intervene in cases or legal proceedings, except in cases of unreasonable delays.
The Ombudsperson also conducts inspections of the detention facilities of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers in order to assess the conditions of detention in light of international human rights standards. He has the authority to conduct such inspections unannounced.